welcome back to your maths class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 14, Geometry. Let's begin.
So students, today we are going to learn about angles. Each of the ray is called arm of the angle. The common endpoint of the two rays that form an angle is the vertex of the angle. Now, interior of an angle. The inside part of the angle is called interior of the angle. Like here, the white part is the interior of the angle. Next, exterior of an angle. Here, the blue part is the exterior of the angle. The outside part of the angle is called exterior of the angle. So in this way, interior and exterior of an angle. Now different types of angles. Acute angle. If the angle is less than 90 degree, we call it an acute angle. Acute angles are less than 1/4 of a full circle. Right angle. Exact 90 degree angle is called a right angle. We represent right angle as angle ABC. Right angle is exactly 1/4 of a full circle. Obtuse angle. If the angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, we call it an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are more than 1/4 of a circle and less than half of a circle. Straight angle. 180 degree angle is called straight angle as it's a straight line. Straight angle is exactly half of a circle. Next one is reflex angle. 180 degree to 360 degree angles are called reflex angles. Reflect angles are more than half of a circle and less than a full circle. Full rotation, whole or complete angle. 360 degree is a full or complete angle or a full circle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a whole complete angle. Now measure the angle. How we can measure the angle? Angle. The size of the angle. If we want to know, we measure the angle. We measure the angle in degrees. Here, ABC is an angle. How we can measure it? We use a protractor to measure the angle. In a protractor, there are 180 equal subdivisions of angles marked 0 to 180. Each subdivision denotes 1 degree. The line segment joining 0 degree to 180 degree is called baseline of the protractor. The midpoint of the baseline is called center of protractor. Let's measure the angle. AOC. Here, angle AOC can be measured using a protractor. So we have put OA on the baseline and putting the protractor, we have found that AOC is equals to 60 degree. So we have measured placing the protector OA on the baseline and marking from 0 to 180 we got 60. So angle AOC is equals to 60 degree. Let's take one more example. Angle CBA or BAC. Angle ABC. So, here we want to measure the angle. We put the protector. The midpoint of the baseline is called center of the protector. Center should be placed properly so that we got the measure of the angle properly. So here we got the blue line on the 120 degree, which is more than 90. So it is an obtuse angle and the measure of the angle ABC is 120 degree. We always write the measure of the angle in degrees. So here angle ABC is equals to, what is the measure? Yes, it is pointing to 120 degree. So angle ABC is equals to 120 degree. In this way you have to measure the angles using protector. So let's start triangle. A polygon made by 3 line segment is called a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure bounded by 3 line segments. Like here, AB, BC and CA are 3 sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are 3 angles. A, B and C are 3 vertices. Types of triangle according to sides: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. According to angles: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. These are the types of triangle according to sides and according to angles. Now, types of triangle, classification on the basis of length of their sides. So first one is equilateral triangle. If a triangle have all 3 sides equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. Here you can see all the 3 sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. Next one, isosceles triangle. If a triangle have 2 sides equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Here 2 sides and 2 angles in this given triangle are equals. That's why we can call it an isosceles triangle. Move on to the next. Our next triangle is scalene triangle. If a triangle have all 3 sides unequal, then it is called scalene triangle. Here you can see all the 3 sides of a triangle are unequal. So it is scalene triangle. Now, classification on the basis of the measure of their angles. First one is acute angle triangle. If a triangle have all 3 angles acute angle, then it is called an acute angle triangle. Like, if the angles in the triangle are acute, all the 3, then it is an acute angle triangle. Next one. Next one is right angle triangle. If a triangle has one angle right angle, One angle is right angle here. You can see it is 90 degree. Then it is called right angle triangle. So, if one angle in the triangle is 90 degree, it is considered as right angle triangle. Or it can also be called as right angled triangle. Now, the last one is obtuse angle triangle. If a triangle has one angle obtuse angle, then it is called obtuse angle triangle. Here you can see one angle is 110, which is more than 90.